Hey guys, welcome to 6.5 Graphs of Polar Equations. Let's get started with a warm-up example that I've thrown in. This section is dealing heavy with graphs, so we got a lot of polar graphs here to do. First example is a polar coordinate with a radius of 5 and a directed angle of 7 pi over 6. So here's my polar axis. Here's 7 pi over 6, so I know my angle is right there. I know I'm 5 units away from the pole, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the end of that is my point P. Right over there. That's a radius in the direction of 7 pi over 6. That is 5 units away from the pole. Now let's take a look at a polar equation. R equals 5. In this case, notice we don't have a direct angle. It's just a radius. And that means in all directions, we are 5 units away from the pole. And so if I had r equals 1, I would expect to see a circle with a radius of 1, because that means I'm 1 unit away from the pole in all directions. But here I'm r equals 5, so I'm 5 units away from the pole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I'd expect to see a circle. And so do it neater than I just did, but there's your circle with a radius of 5. In all directions, you're 5 units away from the pole.